In this video, I want to talk about 7 terms to master that will help you generate more accurate image. Okay, now when you are generating images using your prompt from text to image AI websites, there are terms you need to master. There are so many terms, but I just want to share with you 7 of them. When you look at other people's prompts, especially images or ads that are of high quality, that you won't even know whether such image is a real photo or not. When you look at their prompts, you will find certain terms within their prompts that you may be asking yourself, what does this mean? What does that mean? So I just want to share with you a few of these terms that you're going to see. These are common ones that you see in most AI prompts. Okay, so we have digital art. All right, when you use the word digital art in your prompt, images come out as artwork. All right, once you use digital art, the image comes out as an artwork. Okay, we have realistic photo. Okay, image comes out like a real human picture. Okay, now you will see some prompts, you will see something like V3, V2, V4. These are model version. Okay, now depending on the AI website or AI generator that you are using, some of them have different styles. The style there mean the pattern or the way your photo or art will come out as. Okay, and some call it model, some call it version. So when you know the version you want your artwork or your image to come out as, you can specify it. That's why you see something like V5, V3. All right, then in writing your prompt, you need to put out expression. This expression has to do with sad, smile, gorgeous. Okay, when you are trying to describe somebody or you're trying to describe an image or photo you want to generate, try to add expression. Visualize the kind of expression you want to see on that person's face. Okay, now facial look, this has to do with age, complexion. How do you want the person to look? Okay, an image can look sad, but is it a sad young man, a sad person? Okay, what kind of person do you want to be sad? Is it somebody that is 85 years old? Okay, so you make sure you detail all these things. Then in some prompts, and when generating your own prompt, you will see things like AR. AR means aspect ratio. Now, aspect ratio simply means the dimension that you want your image to be produced as. Okay, for example, we have 4:5 aspect ratio, 9:16, and 16:9. Okay, these are different aspect ratio for Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Okay, now what this means is that when you generate something like 4:5, okay, this is the size that Facebook usually use when it comes to their videos. Okay, so if you are generating an artwork that you want to use in a video, it is good to specify the size. All right, even if you don't use aspect ratio, though aspect ratio is one common term most of these AI use. Okay, but you can use dimension. You can use dimension and you specify the size of the image or art you want it to produce. So aspect ratio is the same thing as dimension. Okay, now if you are trying to generate an image you will use in a video on TikTok, you should know TikTok aspect ratio. Now this 4:5 is Facebook aspect ratio, 9:16 is TikTok. TikTok is always portrait. Okay, kind of vertical. All right, why Facebook is square. Then 16:9 is also aspect ratio for YouTube. So make sure you know the dimension of the image you want to generate and specify it in your prompt. Then we have view. Okay, view has to do with how do you want the image to come out as, which side of the image. Is it portrait? Is it full, is it side view, is it shot from the top? Okay, so if you understand the different views, or the view that you want from your image, you specify it. I've seen some images that if I'm to generate it, I wouldn't use side view. I would rather want the person to face the camera, that is portrait. Okay, so you need to specify the angle or the view you want. All right, you want the image to have, or you want the artwork or image to look at. Okay, the view the photo is being shot from, especially if you are generating a realistic photo. Okay, the view is being shot from. Then we have camera lenses and quality. If you see some prompts, especially prompts that has to do with human beings, models, okay, realistic photos, you see that most times they mention the lens or the camera quality they want the image to be produced as. Okay, you can tell AI produce an image that has this kind of camera quality. So if you don't understand those camera and their qualities, you will not be able to specify it. Okay, so if you are going into generating high supermodel, okay, high quality images of human beings, then you need to understand different camera and their lens quality. Okay, then you specify it. And another way to get to master these terms is by understanding other prompts. Okay, now we have this. If you observe, this person specified the camera quality, specified the aspect ratio, okay, specified the version, okay, and other things that the person specified. All right, here says an ultra high definition. So the person specified the quality, what he or she really wants. All right, now look at this as well. This person specified the camera quality, specified the version, specified the aspect ratio. All right, this other one too specified the angle or the view that he wants the photo to be shot from. It says shot from above. Okay, he specified the aspect ratio. All right, this is an aspect ratio for YouTube. Okay, maybe this person wants to use it for YouTube. Okay, he said realistic, so the thing appeared like a real image. All right, so there are so many prompts out there. When you see them, you try to read them and grab one or two detailing. Okay, and where you don't understand a particular keyword or term, you can go to Google, copy that keyword and paste it, and it's going to tell you what that means. Okay, for example, when you paste AR 16:9, Google will tell you this is aspect ratio for YouTube. Then when you now start asking what is aspect ratio, it will tell you it is dimension, the size. Okay, the size of these platforms. Every platform has the size of image or video that fits into it. So aspect ratio has to do with the size, the dimension of images and videos that each of these platform uses as a standard size. All right, so these are some terms that you need to know. And to understand more, check out other prompts. Okay, understudy people's prompts. And if there are terms you don't understand, you copy the term or write it out. Go to Google, paste it, and you will get clearer meaning of what that shortcut or term means.